guys, I am back. I just got up. That's how fast I was. My brother's vlogging selfie. Boy, let's go.
I look weird.
We look different. We do look different, man. I don't see it.
What the fuck is your phone doing, bitch?
Hey! Wait. Dude, they call it the J collar, the Shazzy. The twin something. We need to be the twins. Wait, the Brysons are better than the Carsons, so bye. Guys, go for the ghost killers! The ghost killers!
Watch me jump out in front of this car.
Ghost killers, let's go, man! Ghost killers, let's go! Let's beat the Pain Twins! Let's beat the Pain Twins! Car. Let's beat the Pain Twins! Where's Michael? No. He's already winning it. Already was. Guys, I'm trying to get a first-person view right here. Yeah, here we go. Riding down the street. Y'all see? This is what I see pretty much, guys. This is what I see. He's just right in front of my head. Okay, guys, I'm facing down. I'm looking up. It's not, man. Allergies. It pretty much just rained. What up? Guys, this is his house. Hello. Trying to get in good light. That's the thing. Hey, hey, Chase. Chase wearing all neon. You want to say hi to YouTube? Yeah, no, not really. Hey, brother, you want to give a shout out to me?
No, not really.
Ha. Gamer boy!
Versus Kane?
Come on! Come on!
Yeah, no.
Ghost killers! Let's do this! Come on! I ain't showing you my house. It's my little cul-de-sac. If you live around here, go join me. Go join me. By the way, this is my house. Legit. Here, guys, I'll show you my address. License plate. There you go. I know this is not in my neighborhood. There's no people in this. I have no idea who this house is, but it looks nice. My house is from the 19s. My grandma owned it when she was young. I'm going to ride around the block and go to the park. Guys, I'm going to go to the park because I'm a savage. Let's go to the park. And if this shuts down, it's because the storage is full. And I'll get back in touch with y'all in this video. And like, yeah, this should be in parks. Like my definition is going to be continued. Stop sign. My bike is red, so they better stop. I'm having this on footage. Oh, shit. It's getting harder, guys. Can't go to the park. It's about to get hard. Oh, yeah. It's definitely getting harder. If I cannot feel it. Oh, Lord. No, not my camera. Not my phone. My beautiful phone. I ain't showing no crap, guys. I had to go home.